Guys, so the other day we learned how to boil and peel egg, but for that video we peeled the egg under running water. So today we'll be learning how to boil and peel egg again, but this time around we don't need running water, we don't need ice water. I'll be showing you very simple and easy way to actually peel your eggs. So watch this video to the end and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also let me know what you think or feel about this video in the comment section. Thank you. So first, to get your water, you put your water on fire and then you add salt to your water. Do not forget to add salt to your water if you want to peel the egg and you want the shell to come off easily. You add salt to your water. Now after adding salt to your water, you can now add your eggs to the water. Or you can actually add your eggs first, then add salt later, any of the above. So we are doing hard boiled eggs, so we're going to leave this for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, you take out your eggs. So now I'm going to be adding normal temperature water to this egg because the egg is still very hot and I can't even hold it, not to talk of peeling it. So I have to hold it to peel it, but the egg is very hot. So I'm going to add water to it, normal room temperature water, not ice water, not cold water, normal tap water. I'm going to add water to it and I'm going to allow it to cool down a bit. Then now you can peel it, but if you can peel it hot, like if you can hold it hot like that, fine, you can actually just go straight to peeling it. If not, you can just allow it cool down a bit. Like this, it is still very warm. You can allow it go cold, any of the above, it doesn't actually matter. So now all you need to do is to just remove the shell from the egg. Like it is that easy, it is that simple. I did this under, should I say under 2 seconds or under 5 seconds? Like it was very easy. I actually don't know how to peel eggs actually, unless I peel underwater or like this now. So this is a new method and this is what I'm going to be using, because with this you don't have to go through the stress of getting ice water or cold water or standing under running water to actually peel it. You can just remove the shell from the egg like this. Like this is very easy and this is very simple. Let me know which of the method you find very easy and which of the method you actually like. Is it this or is it the first one? As you can see, our egg is smooth, like no crack, no mistake. It is very smooth. The shell came off easily without leaving any what's it called, should I say stain or breakage or anything on the egg. Like the egg is very, very smooth, guys. This is very easy to do, like super easy. So you can see how easy we separated the shell from the egg just by adding salt to the water. So let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. See you on our next video. Bye bye.